is a scary time for all of us. Not just scary, even the isolation period is getting longer and longer. Most of us now are getting bored and exhausted. Time is not going easily. Even using mobile phones are giving you headache. Favorite TV shows or Netflix series are ending day by day. Now it's time to cheer up your mood, but in some productive ways. So these are 10 simple tips to stay creative and happy. Number 1. Yoga and indoor workouts. After refreshing up in the morning, it's time to hit some yoga. Do some of your indoor workouts that can sweat you up. Stretch your muscles. It relaxes your body as well as your muscles and calm your mind. Just do some normal push-ups or weightlifting. There is no need to get outside for that. Just grab a mat and do whatever workout you like. Now coming to number 2. Making own breakfast. After a mild to moderate workout, you need a pretty good breakfast to fill your stomach. Better if you make your breakfast yourself. Make your tea or coffee, whatever you prefer. Have some oatmeals or even more better stuffs. Choice is all yours when you are your own cook. This will increase your cooking skills. Number 3. Repair and remake stuffs. Grab some tools. You are going to be the next Tesla. Just kidding. Simply search your old stuffs that are broken or needed to be fixed, like your broken bicycle or music player or stuffs like that. So take your equipments and ready to. Number 4. Cleaning rooms and house decoration. This free time is great to clean your rooms. Start from making your bed first in the morning. Clean your surroundings properly. Blow some dust and later decor your house. Remember the fact that you are going to stay in those rooms for the whole day. Number 5. Enjoy cooking. This one is my most favorite. Cooking is the best way to upgrade your personal skills. This is the only way to impress your tongue and fill your stomach. Cook some of your favorite foods using your own recipes and ways. It will make you feel more active, and of course, it will give you a reward at the end. After all, inside everyone, there is a Chef Gusto. Now coming to number 6. Gardening. There is no need to tell you the importance of gardening in our life. Just plant some flower trees or veggies in your backyard. If you don't have a lawn, then try for the rooftop or terrace. After a few days, you will see the results that will blow your mind. Even after the lockdown, those results will stay. Trust me, you will never regret if you select this choice. Now coming to number 7. Enjoying indoor games. Indoor games with your family not only makes your time passing, it also helps you to boost your concentration level. Games like chess or Sudoku can boost your brain power in no time. But better, don't play online mobile games or video games. It can make your mood swing, even that leads to anger and frustration. So stick to the traditional old gameplays and be happy. Now come to number 8. Reading books and solve maths. As you all know, reading books gives new way to life. It makes you smarter. That's why Tyrion Lannister in Game of Thrones once said, "A mind needs books like a sword needs a whetstone." Reading books and solving simple maths can prevent Alzheimer's disease. Number 9. Writing your thoughts. There are lots of positive effects of this act, and this lockdown period is the perfect time to write your thoughts down. It clears your mind and help you in decision making. It relieves you from your emotional stress. Writing your failures even helps you to look into your mistakes, and this makes you to come back again strongly. Number 10. Proper sleep. Whether it's an isolation time or even a normal time, a proper sleep is always needed to soothe your brain and mind. A complete 7 to 8 hours of proper sleep at night keeps your body and mind boosted up all the day. It also improves your memory and heart condition and reduces the risk of depression. So these are the 10 most important things to calm your mind even in the lockdown situation. Hope it will help you and make you smile. And don't forget, life is awesome.